They thought you were finished. They smiled when you stayed silent. They called it weakness, when really it was you holding back the storm. You let them win for a while, not because you were defeated, but because you were learning, calculating, rebuilding every shattered part of you in the dark. You were not silent because you were scared. You were silent because you were sharpening your rage. They took what they thought you would never get back. Your pride, your confidence, your light. They broke your spirit in front of everyone, and they laughed, not knowing that pain like that, it does not destroy monsters like you. It feeds them, it mutates them, it teaches them how to burn. And now it is too late for them, because you are not coming back to prove a point. You are coming back to take everything, to burn every lie they told, to crush every label they gave you. Let them watch. Let them choke on your silence, because now the storm is walking, and this time it wears your name. You did not crawl through all that hell just to come back empty. You walked through nights when your chest was full of screaming, but your mouth stayed shut. You stood in rooms where your worth was measured by how quiet you could be. You smiled while your name was dragged through dirt. You bled quietly so they would not feel guilty. But silence is not weakness. It is where warriors gather breath. It is where demons find clarity. It is where storms begin. They thought the pain they caused would erase you. They thought your isolation would crush your will. But you were not dying. You were becoming something so ruthless, so unrecognizable, even you had to learn how to control it. They did not break you. They built you. With every betrayal, every back turned, every insult whispered behind your name. They built a fire inside you. They can no longer contain. Now your silence has become your weapon. Now your patience has become your blade. And now you decide the terms. Not them. You are not here to be forgiven. You are not here to explain. You are here to reclaim, to ignite. You let them win for a while. You watched them celebrate your silence like it was their victory. They laughed at your absence. They mistook your retreat for surrender. But now you are back, and you are not here to talk. You are here to take. You will not ask for what was taken. You will not beg for understanding. You will not wait for permission. You will burn everything they tried to steal from you and build something greater from the ashes. Let them watch. Let them see what happens when the quiet one rises. Let them feel the fire you forged in their doubt. They thought they left you behind, but you were never behind. You were winding back the arrow. And now, you are flying straight through every wall they built to keep you small. This is not a comeback. This is a declaration. Every scar on your soul is a line in your war song. Every tear they never saw is a storm at your back. You are not just going to succeed. You are going to make them watch. Watch as you become everything they said you could not be. Watch as you burn every lie, every limit, every fake smile they ever gave you. This is your fire. Let it consume, let it cleanse, let it roar. You see, you were never broken. You were reforged. Every moment of silence, every sleepless night, every fake smile you held when your soul was bleeding, it was not weakness, it was war. Quiet, patient, invisible war. They thought they moved on. They thought you were gone. But all this time, you were sharpening your edges in the shadows. All this time, you were collecting the ashes, every piece they tried to burn, every part they tried to erase. Now, the silence is over. Now they will feel your presence like thunder. You will not whisper anymore. You will roar. You will rise with no apologies, no explanations, and no mercy. Because this is what they made. They built this version of you, not with love, but with hate. Not with care, but with cruelty. And now they will meet what they created. Let them call you bitter. Let them call you cold. Let them call you dangerous. Because you are. You are not the old version that begged to be seen. You are the storm they never saw coming. Let them run. Let them regret. Let them remember. You let them win for a while. Now they will watch you burn everything they took. Now that you have burned it all to the ground, the doubt, the pain, the betrayal. What comes next is not revenge, it is domination. You will build again, but this time no one gets a piece of you unless they have earned it. No more begging to be understood. No more hoping to be loved by people who only ever wanted to see you small. You rise now, not for them, for you. You are no longer trying to prove anything. You are the proof. Let them keep talking. Let them stay confused. Let them try to figure out how the ashes turned into a fire that never dies. Because while they laughed at your scars, you were learning how to bleed purpose. While they watched you break, you were writing the blueprint of your rebirth. And now, every step you take shakes the ground. Every breath you take is power reclaimed. Every second you live with that fire in your soul is a reminder that you did not just survive them, you erased them. You did not come back to make peace. You came back to reign. So go ahead, let them watch. Let them feel every second of the storm they swore would never come. You let them win for a while, but now, let them watch you burn everything they took and build something greater from the flames. This is not your comeback. This is your empire.